As I promised you before, there is a part 2 coming up. Well, this is how we put it back together. Well painted. This is our fluid tank right here. This like a 5-gallon pan. This is how we do it. Put it back together, put it back on top. Make sure everything looking good. Color up. Ready to go back into the motor. Take a good look at how we do it. It's now complete and ready to go back into the motor, into the truck. Alright, once again, this is a E7 Mack motor. Second time putting it back together. Alright, take a good look. Brand new. Brand new. Alright. So now we're about to start it. Make sure it's run good. And this is our key. Look at the key. This is our key to the motor. Alright. So we're going to start it up. Make sure it's running good. Alright. My buddy Junior going to start it up for me. Alright. Check it out. It's a little bit cold. We're going to prime it. Yeah, true. Take out the wire. We'll take out the wire. Yeah, go on, go on. Alright. Chocolate. Nice and smooth. Engine rolling. Quiet. This is how we do it. Alright. Let's start. Yeah. JLT Junior. Once again, we have it running, as you can see. And as you can hear, E7 Mack motor. Alright? So, this is how you do it. If you got a job, you can recommend JLT to put it together. Alright? That's it. That's the clutch, spinning, ready to go. Ready to go. Alright? So today we'll be moving forward to put it in the truck. Alright? This is where we shut it off. Alright, take a good look. E7 Mack motor, brand new. Brand new once again. Alright? Take a good look. Brand new. Brand new. Alright, so if you got a job, you can recommend JLT. Ready for you. Okay? Alrighty. So over and out. We're moving on now to put it into the truck. Okay? Alright. Have a blessed day.